Howdy folks, Sage with Ranch Armor again, here with another install video. Today we're doing a CFMoto rear bumper. So let's go ahead and start getting into the tools. First, you'll need a 13mm socket, a 9/16 socket, a 9/16 wrench, and of course, your handy dandy driver. With this, you're gonna get two brackets that look like this right here, with two little spacers that are going to be very important here in a minute, and you'll see why. So anyways, let's go ahead and get into it. All right, so first you're going to take your mount with your spacer put on top. You can see it right there. You're going to take your nut, and underneath here there's two OEM open holes that are already threaded, so it makes it that much easier for you. So you'll put it up there, and just like with pretty much everything else you do with ranch armor, only hand tight it first. And it may fight you just a little bit like that. All right, so you're gonna take your little bracket arm here with that spacer that we just talked about. You're gonna set it on top there. Take your bolt, and there's going to be two OEM threaded holes. You'll go ahead and line those up, and it may be a little bit of a trick, but it is possible. And just like with everything else we do starting out, just hand tight. Want to make sure there's plenty of room for adjustment and wiggle room before we start bolting everything on down. Go. All right, just like that. Now we'll jump over here to the other side and do the exact same. All right, so exact same on this side. Don't forget your spacer, very important. Line it up with these OEM holes. And again, if you got to play with it and wiggle it a little bit, that's okay. There it is. And our other side. And y'all might want to remember that whenever you do install these, you want the face of this little bracket to be as close to the tailgate as you can get it. That way you've still got plenty of room to open your tailgate and move things around if you need to. There it is. And there we are. All right, now we actually get to put on the rear bumper. So you're going to take it and play with it a little bit and slide it on just like that. Now you will want to jump down here and double check that everything lines up good. The bracket that we just installed should be on the inside of these little wings right here. So go ahead and check that on both sides, make sure you're good. We're good. Take your 3/8 bolt. And you can put it through the hole. There it is. Now remember, on that 3/8 bolt, it's gonna go washer, then bolt. Then on the other side, you're gonna have another washer, then your nut. Go ahead and hand tighten that. And I like to just kind of bounce back and forth, make sure that everything is still lined up and not gonna fall on me while I'm playing with this thing. Line it up over here. Oh. There it goes. Sometimes you'll have to wiggle and play with it. And remember, washer and nut. hand tight. Now you can go ahead and take your other one, throw that on there as well, and we'll be ready to tighten everything down here in just a second. All right, so before we tighten down the bumper itself, you're gonna wanna make sure that you max this thing out. Pull it as far as you can, get it as close to this tailgate as you can, and then we're tightening down that first. There it is. All right, we'll do the other side. Now we'll swap out to our 9/16. Grab our 9/16 wrench, and we'll tighten down the bed or the bumper itself. All right, and there you have the CFMoto rear bumper. As you can see, you can still open your tailgate, do everything you need to do, and the way we designed it, you can also completely open your bed. So there it is, like I said. If you have any questions or want to buy this thing, go on over to rancharmorutv.com. We're more than happy to help you with any installation instructions you might need. But yeah, reach out to us. Anyways, thank y'all and have a great day.